Hello. For the proportion problems, you want to open the hypothesis testing proportion ones, and you fill in where the gray is. Now, if they give you a sample proportion instead, you could plug it in here, but once you do that, when you go to do the next problem, close this and start over because it does mess with the formulas. Okay, so if we look at this problem, test the claim that the proportion of people who own cats is significantly different from 80%. So we're finding different from 80%. That means our hypothesis should be 0.8, what these all are. But it is a proportion, so it has to be one of the p's, not the mu, because that's a mean. And then differs from would mean not equal to. So it would be this one, because the alternative is not equal to, which means, it's a two-tail. To find the test statistic and the p-value, we enter here. So we want level significance 0.2. And then sample size, down here it said 700 people. The number that said yes, instead of telling us the number that said yes, it said 83%. So that's going to go right here. 0.83. And the population proportion comes from the hypothesis, and it was 0.8. Your test statistics, 1.98. It was a two-tail, so 0.0472. If the p-value is less than alpha, reject. If it's greater, fail to reject. The p-value is 0.2. And this was two-tail. So 0.04. The p-value is less than alpha. So reject. Now, since we put the sample proportion here, when you go to do another problem, you'd want to reopen this.